Hey, what's up, guys? It's Microsoft Engineer from Khalid, and in today's we will make a program in Python regarding operators. So, operators are like, for example, positive sign or symbol, negative sign, division sign, subtraction sign, greater sign, smaller sign, greater or equal to sign, smaller or equal to sign, etc. So, stay tuned and let's check it out. So, for instance, I will assign a value to A, like A is equals to 50 and B is equals to 20, and then I will press shift plus enter so that it can save my code. And over here, like for instance, I can write like A plus B is what? So it will say 70, which makes sense. 50 plus 20 is 70. I can also write like what is A subtracted by B, or A minus B. So it will say 30. And I can also write like what is A divided by B. So it will say 2.5. Yeah. And I can also write like what is A multiplied by B, or A into B. It will say 1000. And now I can write like sign like greater than or equal to, smaller than or equal to, or greater sign or smaller sign. Like is, like for example, like I will write A is greater than B. As A is greater than B, it says true. How? Because A is 50 and B is 20, and 50 is greater than 20, which makes sense, and it says true. And if I write like is A is smaller than B, so it will say false, which also makes sense because 20 is smaller than 50. Like A is greater than B, but B is not greater than A. So yeah, this is how you can create a program in Python regarding operators, and it's easy. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, give a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel, Microsoft Engineer Ibrahim Khalid. See you later.